Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Vettsy's Polygel, and also I'm going to be doing this nail look. And I've already done like a unboxing on a different video, on my Meg the Stallions video, but that was just like a sneak peek. So here are the colors and everything. It comes with a bunch of stuff, literally so many colors. And I'm going to be doing the lazy girl method again. I've been getting so much more practice with it, and I feel a little bit more confident with it. And it comes with the nail tips required for it, so that's really dope. So to get started, I'm just going to be applying the base coat to my natural nails. Next, I'm applying the polygel to the nail tips. I'm using PL04, I believe, and it's this really cute soft pink polygel. It's a little bit sheer but opaque at the same time. With this polygel, like the formula, I would recommend using the slip solution that comes with the kit. I wouldn't recommend using base coat. With using base coat, it kind of makes it separate, so you just want to use the slip solution, or alcohol or acetone would work. So I'm just flattening out. I'm just using a very thin layer. Oh, and my last video, the Meg the Stallion video, I meant to post this one first, but accidentally mixed up the two and I posted the other one first. But it's no big deal, so I'm just posting this one today. So I'm just pressing it down on my natural nail, and because there's not like an excessive amount of product, it's not spilling from the sides. But if it does, just a little bit comes out, I do wipe it with my brush, and then I'm repeating that process to the rest of the nails. Also, it came to my attention from someone in the comment box that you are supposed to etch the inside of the nail tips. So if you don't do that, it will act just like a dual form. So it will come off with the nail tips, which it's still cute, but it's better if the nail tips are there for some strength. So yeah, make sure you use either a hand file. I feel like using an e-file will be more convenient, and it will fit right in to the nail tip. Using a sanding band to just roughen the inside of the nail tip before adding your polygel. And now I'm adding it to my finger again. And of course, before doing this process, you want to prep your nails properly. And in my graduation video, my graduation nail set video, I show you guys how I typically prep. And those nails lasted me like 2 weeks, but I took them off. They could have lasted longer, but I really get tired of nails really fast. now I'm just gonna gently just go around the cuticle to remove whatever excess product was there. If you want the nails to stay, this is a very crucial step to prevent lifting and such. But I'm not doing it so much because I know I'm gonna pop these off right after, and it doesn't look really messy right now. So I'm just removing that tab at the end of the tip with my hand file, just cleaning up the sides as well. Now I'm going in with the design. So I'm taking, I don't know what these are called. I want to say these little crystal things and also these rhinestones, and I'm just going to go on the middle finger, no, the ring finger, and I'm gonna add like a really thick, not really thick, but a good generous layer of base coat. Then I'm going to take some small rhinestones and place them sporadically over the nail. Make sure they're spaced out really good. And I'm sorry that I'm out of frame a little bit, but yeah, this nail set literally took me less than 30 minutes. So this method, I don't know why I was sleeping on the lazy girl method, but I'm really happy that I found it. And this kit was so easy to use, and I have these look like really pretty nails now with this kit, and I love it. So now I'm sprinkling this on. I wish I had a bigger bowl to catch them all, but I'm making sure to push in the sides so it doesn't look so jagged. I'm adding more when necessary, and then I'm going to just cure it. So I'm going to have the links to this polygel kit in the description box, and I believe I do have a discount code, but I don't remember it off the top of my head, so I'm going to link it down below as well. Because the container is like pretty small, it's pretty hard to pick up with the cuticle pusher, so you kind of have to just dump it on. But yeah, don't forget to push it in the sides and stuff so it looks pretty clean. And this is really pretty. I love this stuff. So when it's all set, I'm just going to cure it in the light, and then I'm going to move on with the rest of my rhinestone placement. So this rhinestone right here is the only one that is not from this kit. I just wanted a bigger rhinestone right here. And to adhere that big stone, I just used some clear polygel from the kit. And, you know, it stays on pretty good. Yeah. I would prefer to use like a glue or something. But I don't have any rhinestone glue at the moment. But polygel works just fine. So after placing all the rhinestones on all the nails, I went ahead and cured the nails in my light, and these came out super pretty. And I'm going to use the strawberry cuticle oil that came in the kit. It smells really, really good. So yeah, these came out super pretty. I love this set. I love this method, and I love this polygel kit. It comes with so many things. It comes with those crystals, some rhinestones, those tips, and all that good stuff. So definitely cop it in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.